Hello guys, welcome to today's session. Now for swing traders, it is a challenge to find a good stock. Okay, and some of the traders who are able to find the good stocks with the help of screeners, they are still booking loss in it, right? So today I'll show you something, okay, with the help of which you can see like which are the stocks doing good in the market, okay, and you will be able to book good profit in your swing trades. Right now, before starting the video, if you are new here, you can go in the description. There is a link below with the help of which you can download and install the web application of Coincept. After successful registration, you will get free tools here that you can use in your trading. Okay, also in the learn section we have video library, so there are multiple videos based on various Pro Plus tools and strategies, so you can go through them in your meantime. They are available in multiple languages like English, Hindi, Gujarati, Marathi and Tamil, so you can set your preference as well. Okay, now at any point of time, if you are having any kinds of doubts or query, so you can go in the profile section, and here we have the support. So our contact number and email ID will be there, so you can contact us and we will be there to sort your queries out. Right now, let's get back to today's video, that is how you can find good stocks for you when you are doing the swing trading. Right now, it is not particularly about the screeners, or you can say scanner, okay, but first of all we should be having a bird eye view of the market, राइट, लाइक व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन द मार्केट और इन द पर्टिकुलर सेक्टर. क्योंकि अगर आप एक स्टॉक को भी सिलेक्ट कर लेते हो, चाहे आप वो स्क्रीनर से सिलेक्ट करते हो, स्कैनर से सिलेक्ट करते हो, उसका आप पूरा एक डेटा एनालिसिस कर रहे हो, बट स्टिल देयर आर चांसेस दैट इट विल प्रोवाइड यू सम लॉस. सो फॉर दैट वी हैव अ फीचर हियर इन द Coincept एप्लीकेशन. You have to go in the track section, and in the track section we have advanced decline chart. Okay, now in the advanced decline chart, it will show you, first of all, if I have selected all here, so it is showing me the data of overall market, right? What is happening in the market right now, right? Now the question remains, what is this net advance? Okay, so I'll tell you. For example, suppose I'm in a sector and this sector includes 10 stocks. Okay, this sector includes 10 stocks. Now at any point of time, if my 8 stocks are in the bullish run and my 2 stocks are in bearish run, okay, so it is a difference. The net advance, it is a difference between the bullish stocks versus the bearish stocks, right? So bullish stock minus bearish one, okay, so it will be 8 minus 2, so 8 minus 2, it will be 6, positive 6, right? So net advance is the difference between my bullish versus my bearish. Okay, it can be any sector. For example, if I'm talking about Nifty, so Nifty will consist of 25, right? Sorry, Nifty will consist of 50. Okay, my Bank Nifty will consist of 25. Okay, so if I'll talk about the net advance of Bank Nifty, so it will be a difference between the bullish minus bearish stocks in Bank Nifty out of this 25. If I'll talk about the net advance in Nifty, so it is the difference between bullish minus bearish out of these 50 stocks, right? I hope you got the concept of net advance, right? Now let's see how we can analyze this, right? Now when I'm talking about a swing trading and I want to take a trade in a particular stock, okay, so I will have I'll generate a bird eye view of that sector also, right? Now not only for the sector but also the price, how the price is moving with the net advance. Okay, and that is how I'll be able to get a good sector, and in that good sector then I'll go for the stock also. Okay, so for example, let's select a stock here. So what I'll do, change it, I'll select a sector here. For example, I can select anything. Okay, so I'm going with Nifty stock, you can say. Okay, so let it load. Okay, so it has loaded, and now I can see on the 26th September, here you can see the date. On 27th September, my net advance is in positive, okay, 10. On the 26th September, I can see the net advance is more positive. That is, out of 50 stocks, the difference between bullish versus bearish is 38. Okay, so, and today it is also in bullish, but you can see there is a significant difference from the yesterday's data, right? The net advance has declined. Okay, it means the data that I was getting on 26 September, so my today's data is not that much strong. So if I'm going to trade in Nifty stocks, I have to be careful. Okay, or I can trade on Monday, okay, on Monday, or because today is Friday, so on Monday I can also trade if this net advance will increase. It means now there are more stocks that are going in the bullish direction. Okay, so you can also analyze these stocks like this. Okay, now there is one more thing. If I'll apply this net advance like this, okay, so my net advance always move like this. Okay, so it will be moving in a range ways direction. Okay, in a range ways direction. Okay, so you can see if there is a negative number, okay, if there is a negative number, so I can expect from this negative number there will be some traders, okay, who will now go for the buying of these stocks, and eventually this net advance will increase, right? Okay, so for example, let's select another segment here. So for example, I am selecting, let's select auto sector here. Okay, in auto sector I can see the net advance is of 1, okay, and on 26th September net advance was of 5, right? It means my net advance, okay, it means there are more bullish stocks than bearish stocks, right? So I have generated a bird's eye view, and from the chart I can also analyze. For example, if my net advance is in positive, okay, you can see my net advance is positive, so from the 5 it has fallen down to 1, okay, it has fallen down to 1. But now at any point of time, as you can see here, for example, my this advance is increasing, okay, and at the same time if my price is also increasing, at the same time if my price is also increasing, then that is a sign or a you can say a significant sign for me that I can go with this sector, and I'll choose some stocks which is doing good. I can go with the long built up also, I can go with the volume also when I'm going to select a stock from that sector, okay, and then I'll make my entry. Okay, so advanced decline chart will show you a sector, a bird eye view of the sector in relation with the price. Okay, in relation with the price, you have to analyze price also. For as you can see here, my price was going down, right? At this point of time my price was going down, okay, and you can also see at this point of time your net advance was also declining. Okay, so for the very next day it also declined a significant, there was a significant change, negative change in your price, right? So this is the relation between the net advance and the price, right? Now how to analyze it? First, if you're going for the swing trades, you have to come here, just analyze if your net advance is in positive or in negative, right? For example, I'll change this and let's select Bank Nifty stocks. Okay, so I know in Bank Nifty there are 25 stocks. Out of this 25, right now 27 September the market is currently going on, so I'll ignore this one. But on the 26th September I can see there is a 10, a positive 10. It means more bullish trades than the bearish one. Okay, so I got the net advance. I can also see with the net advance my price for the yesterday was also increasing, and it has a very good strike rate. You can see it has a continuous direction. There was a sideways, again now a continuous direction. Okay, so it is giving me an indication net advance is positive, my price is also increasing. Okay, so what I'll do right now, I can trade with Bank Nifty stocks, right? So Bank Nifty stocks, so what you have to do now, you have to come and track, there is a built up script symbol. Okay, so now I have generated an idea like in which sector I can trade. Okay, so then in track, then you have to come in built up script symbol, and then you can apply that sector here. So I will apply Bank Nifty stocks here. Okay, because I can see I can get a good stock in Bank Nifty. Okay, now I will apply my filter, I will apply my screener in Bank Nifty stocks. Okay, and I can apply here long position, because if I want to go for the buying position, I can see Indus Bank, PNB, Federal Bank and Bank of Baroda. They are giving me long position. It means there can be momentum in this stocks market में. इन चारों stocks में कहीं ना कहीं तेजी आ सकती है. ओके, इन चारों स्टॉक्स में भी मैं क्या करूंगा, अपना थोड़ा सा और अगर मैं इसको फिल्टर आउट कर सकूं, सो दैट विल बी बेटर फॉर मी. चार्ट में तो मैं इसको फिर भी एनालाइज करूंगा, सो चार्ट में देख के आई विल मेक माय एंट्री, बट फॉर द स्टॉक सिलेक्शन आई विल हैव टू फॉलो दिस प्रोसीजर. Okay, so I can see right now currently my OI is increasing. Here you can see clearly my OI is increasing in these three stocks. My price is also increasing in these three stocks. It means the open contract is increasing in today's day. Okay, in today, okay, the price is also increasing. ठीक है, तो it is giving me a good indication कि कहीं ना कहीं ये तीनों stocks हैं जहां पे मैं ट्रेड करने के लिए रेडी हो सकता हूं. ओके, नाउ आई कैन डायरेक्टली गो ऑन द चार्ट. तो अगर मैं पीएनबी या फिर फेडरल बैंक का, तो एनालाइज में आके आई कैन डायरेक्टली गो ऑन द चार्ट. हियर आई विल अप्लाई अ चार्ट ऑफ पीएनबी. ओके, So let's apply the chart of PNB here. That is PNB for me. Okay, and I'll apply a time frame of 1 day, right? I'll apply a time frame of 1 day. Okay, so this is the chart for me. But before 1 day, what I'll suggest you just have to select 1 week, and in 1 week what I'll do, I'll make the major support and resistance, major levels for me that can give me a good reading here. ठीक है, तो उनको सेलेक्ट करने के लिए मैं क्या करूंगा यहाँ पे, ठीक है, मैं यहाँ पे मेजर सपोर्ट एंड रेसिस्टेंस बना सकता हूँ. सो आई कैन क्लियरली सी जो मेरा सबसे ऊपर का ये एक कैंडल मेरे को यहाँ पे दिख रहा है. वेट, लेट मी मेक माई रेंज हियर. ओके, सबसे ऊपर आप लोगों को भी एक छोटी सी डोजी कैंडल दिख रही होगी. ठीक है, तो सबसे ऊपर मैं वीकली चार्ट में अपने मेजर सपोर्ट एंड रेसिस्टेंस बना सकता हूं. ठीक है, तो उसको बनाने के लिए मैं क्या करूंगा, मैं ये सबसे ऊपर की कैंडल थी, इसका हाई को मार्क करूंगा और इसके लो को मार्क करूंगा. इनकी हेल्प से आई कैन मेक अ जोन. ठीक है, मैं अभी थोड़ा ऐसे ही बना रहा हूं, आप अच्छे से इसको बना सकते हो. तो सबसे ऊपर की कैंडल जो ऐसी थी, मैंने क्या किया, इस कैंडल का हाई पकड़ा और लो पकड़ा और एक जोन बना दिया. ये मेरी वो रेंज होगी फ्रॉम वेयर माई मार्केट कैन बी रिजेक्टेड. ठीक है, एंड इफ माई मार्केट ब्रेक्स दिस रेंज, सो फ्रॉम देयर आई take a bullish trade, that will be my entry. SL, the lowest point of this range, that will be my SL. Similarly, if my market is getting rejected, आपने देखा it got rejected, so how can you take entry in the reversal? So for example, my this one, this PNB. So PNB went into this one, so PNB went into this zone, then there was a red candle as you can see here. Then there was a red candle, ये वाली. Okay, so I can mark the low of this candle, and whenever this low was broken, I can make my entry in the bearish direction. Okay, so to make a perfect entry, what I'll do, I'll make a zone here. Okay, or after making the zone, I will enter in, I will select the time frame of 1 day. Just a second. Okay, so now I will select the time frame of 1 day. Okay, so you can also do this thing. Just make sure to analyze your chart once in weekly time frame if you are going for the daily one. Okay, so then you can make your entry in the daily time frame, right? So if you are going to make an entry, so then you can confirm it with other indicator. For example, right now I can see here there was a resistance at this level, right? Because it was acting here, this level was acting as my support. Okay, and currently it was acting as a support here, and then change in polarity, so now it is acting as my resistance here. So again, at any point of time, if it will break it in today's market or tomorrow's market, then I can initiate my trade in the upward direction, right? So this is how you can also make your entry. Okay, this is how you can also make your entry, and for that entry the most important thing is to create a bird eye view of a overall market and then about a sector also, और उसके बाद फिर आप स्टॉक में आओगे. so you have to follow this procedure so that you can make a good entry, because when you are going for the swing trades, सबसे जो मेन इंपॉर्टेंट चीज आती है, that is your stock selection. ओके, उसमें अगर आपकी एंट्री थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर नीचे भी होगी, सो इट डजंट मैटर दैट मच, बट द स्टॉक सिलेक्शन इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, right? So for that, I have told you many times, you have to create a bird eye view. How you can create it? Just go for the advanced decline chart. Okay, it will show you a very good analysis of your overall sector and overall market, right? So guys, I hope काफी informative रहा होगा. अगर आप लोगों को पसंद आया, you can like the video, you can comment us down जो भी आपके views हैं. Okay, अगर आप नए हो चैनल में, you can subscribe the channel also. Thank you so much. This is your trainer Ankit Singh Rawat. Have a very good day.